You're really not drinking tonight?
No, I'm good.
Come on, it's just one drink.
That's what everyone says.
What's the big deal? We're all having fun.
I don't need alcohol to have fun.
Okay, but it's kinda awkward when everyone's drinking and you're not.
That sounds like a you problem.
So you think you're better than us now?
No, I just don't like how people act when they drink.
Wow, so now we're all a mess.
I've seen how this usually ends.
You're overreacting.
Last time you said that, someone threw up in the bathroom.
You used to drink with us.
Yeah, and I didn't like who I was.
So now you're judging everyone else?
I'm setting boundaries.
It feels like you're killing the vibe.
If the vibe depends on alcohol, that's not my fault.
You know people are gonna talk, right?
Let 'em. I'd rather be boring than drunk and regret it tomorrow.
So you're really done with drinking?
Socially, yeah.
That's a choice.
So is drinking just to fit in.